Hi friends, I would like to greet all of you and tell you that I'm really proud of you. I'm proud of my community because you are one of those few people who are walking the ascension path and helping Mother Earth ascend at this time. So today's topic I want to talk about the state of wholeness, okay? Now this is something that has always intrigued me, okay? On the twin flame journey, on the twin flame path, there is a phase where you feel empty, where you miss your twin, okay? But this is not the state that can give you the reunion, okay? Because the reunion with the other half of your soul can only happen in the 3D physical reality when you are whole, when all parts of your soul which are fragmented return back to you, okay? That means there is no karmic debris in your energetic field. You are in the 0 point field, okay? And all the masculine feminine energies are completely balanced, all the psychic cords are cut, and that's when all your DNA activates and when all parts of your soul return back to you, whether they are masculine parts or whether they are feminine parts. At this stage you can have what is known as the physical reunion, okay? So what I specifically wanted to share with you in this video is, yesterday when I was doing my sadhana, I experienced that state of wholeness that I'm talking about, okay? And that state of wholeness is samadhi, okay? It is what we call the soul merge, which happens after the third eye balancing, okay? So see, masculine feminine energies are fully balanced and you arrive at zero karmic debt at third eye, when third eye chakra is balanced, okay? And after the third eye chakra balancing, you have the divine merging, okay, which is the third eye and the crown chakra merging. So this is beyond third eye, okay? Soul merge is beyond the third eye, okay? It is basically the merge of the left and the right brain hemisphere, where kundalini stays risen in the crown chakra, so it activates your toroidal field, okay? So it goes up and then it comes down back into the root and then goes up, okay? So this flow is maintained. So this is when you are exiting the matrix, like you're out of the matrix, because for most people who are in the matrix, the flow is blocked, the kundalini is not circulating, the toroidal field is not activated, okay? There are blockages in the chakras, and the blockages don't come into the physical dimension all at once. They stay in the subtle body, and like for a particular lifetime there is only so much karmic debris that is downloaded into the physical system, into the physical reality, that is supposed to either clear or play out, suffer, okay? But for those of you who are on the ascension path, who are doing sadhana, all the karmic downloads happen, okay, in this lifetime itself, because you have the kundalini or you are doing the chakra work which processes all this stuff, okay? You're using various modalities to heal all this stuff, okay? So all the karma comes down little by little, trickles down into your physical reality, okay? So in my sadhana yesterday, I experienced that state of wholeness, and it is like a complete physical presence of another person, okay, which is your twin, which happens to be your twin, okay? And there is no difference between the way you would feel if you were physically present with your twin and that state of wholeness that I experienced yesterday. Is the same thing. It is the same thing. And the exact place where you feel this state of wholeness is your higher heart chakra, okay? And really, if you go to see, it's not your brain, it's not any other part of your body, it's your higher heart chakra, okay? And actually, the higher heart chakra is also known as the crystal rose heart chakra, or is also known as the crystal lotus heart chakra, okay? It is also known as the enchanted rose, okay? It's also known as the enchanted rose in the fairy tales, you know, like all these secrets, esoteric secrets are passed down through the fairy tales, okay? So this chakra is basically where your twin self anchors into your physical reality via your physical body, okay? So this is a chamber. This is a chamber of your heart. There are two parts to your heart. Okay, even the physical heart has two parts. Okay, likewise the heart chakra has two parts. You know, you have the lower heart chakra, which is green, and then you have the upper heart chakra, that is magenta in color, magenta pink in color. Okay, so this colors change later on as the chakra merge happens. These colors change, but it is more like a magenta. It's a magenta pink color. So this is basically where your physical twin actually anchors in your body, actually anchors into your physical reality. And once your twin, your higher heart chakra is completely balanced, your twin anchors into your physical body. Okay, and then your kundalini rises to third eye balances, and then you have the soul merge process. So this is a process that happens step by step, and only then you can have the full soul anchoring in the physical form of your twin. Okay, otherwise your twin is existing in a state of fragmentation. Okay, so that is why he doesn't sometimes remember you, or even if he remembers you, he has a kind of a resistance towards you. Okay, because his soul is in a state of fragmentation. Okay, so you have to anchor his soul into your physical body, which will project that complete soul into his physical body in your physical reality, 3D reality. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you today, guys. And until you arrive at this state of wholeness, and believe me, in this state of wholeness there is a complete feeling of being whole. There is a complete feeling of as if the person is with you. Okay, there is no sense of missing, there is no sense of worry. You know, it is the complete presence of the other person inside you. It is not something that uh, you've ever experienced until you have gone in the samadhi. Okay, sometimes you go for a short period in that samadhi state where you can experience that wholeness, but it is a process. You know, that state has to be stabilized, which we call the merge of the left brain and the right brain, which we call the merge of the third eye chakra and the crown chakra, divine merging, what we call. Okay, so this is that state of wholeness. Okay, in this state of wholeness there is no lack, there is no lack. It's very hard to describe, but the closest I can tell you, it is just like sitting with someone and having a cup of tea. You know, so in the physical reality we get that kind of wholeness by having somebody sit in front of you physically. Okay, somebody be with you physically, and then you sort of attach to that person, and there is an energy exchange, and then you feel whole when you receive that other person's energy. Okay, so this happens on the external level. Okay, but the twin flame process is different. It first has to happen on the internal level. Okay, and only then it manifests on the external level. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys today. So if you like my video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, share my video. If you're guided to, you can donate to my channel. Okay, I've given the link below, my GPay link, my WhatsApp link. If you want to have a session with me, you can have a session with me. You can book a session with me for guidance on your twin flame journey, for any career issues or whatever guidance that you need, direction that you need. For that you can contact me. You can also place a portrait commission with me. Okay, so I take portrait commissions. Currently I'm working with charcoal portraits. Okay, and soon I'll be starting pastel portraits also. Okay, so this is what I have to share with you today, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.